हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल द प्लेटफॉर्म बाय राकेश में, जहां आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस आते रहते हैं। तो आज हम एक बार फिर से आपके सामने उपस्थित हुए हैं क्लास 9 का इंग्लिश बुक बीहाइव चैप्टर 1 द फन दे हैड का सॉल्यूशन लेकर। आज हम लोग चैप्टर 1 क्लास 9 द फन दे हैड का सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे और ये सॉल्यूशन आपके लिए एग्ज़ाम के समय बड़ा ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा। आप लोग इससे अपनी फेयर कॉपी भी बना सकते हैं जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक नहीं की है। और ये क्वेश्चन आंसर वर्ड मीनिंग के साथ हैं, शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग सारे फुल्ली ये आंसर्ड है चैप्टर 1। तो इस तरह आप इसको अपनी फेयर कॉपी में नोटबुक में एंट्री कर सकते हैं, इसको राइट कर सकते हैं और याद कर लीजिएगा ताकि ये एग्ज़ाम में आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहें। तो देखते हैं इसका वर्ड मीनिंग के साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर भी, जैसा कि आप लोग यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं वर्ड मीनिंग दी गई है। फर्स्ट वर्ड मीनिंग है क्रिंकली। क्रिंकली मीन्स विथ मैनी फॉल्ट्स और लाइन्स। एटिक सेकेंड नंबर है एटिक, a space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. Third, a scornful, contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless. Fourth, a slot, a given space, time or position. Fifth, a geared, adjusted to a particular standard or level. Sixth, a lawfully, in a superior way. Seven, है regular. Regular means इस चैप्टर में नॉर्मल है, of the usual kind. 8 है बेचा, यानी कि आई बेट यू, शर्त लगाना जिसको बोलते हैं आई एम श्योर। और 9 है डिस्प्यूट, डिसएग्री विद। और 10 है नॉन चैलेंटली, नॉट शोइंग मच इंटरेस्ट या केयरलेसली। अब उसके नीचे आपको दिया गया है क्वेश्चन आंसर। आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन अ फ्यू वर्ड्स और अ कपल ऑफ सेंटेंसेज। फर्स्ट नंबर है क्वेश्चन, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी। हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी, इसका सॉल्यूशन दिया गया है। मार्गी इज 11 years old एंड टॉमी इज 13 years old। सेकेंड का आंसर है, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर है, व्हाट डिड मार्गी राइट इन हर डायरी। मार्गी रोट टुडे टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक इन हर डायरी। हैड मार्गी एवर सीन अ बुक बिफोर। No, Margie had not seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? She found strange things in book that the book was printed on the paper which was yellowish and not displaying the alphabets showed on the screen. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook is something. What things about the poet, 4 number question है, what things about the book did she find strange? The she found strange things in the book that the book was printed on the paper has yellowish and not displaying the alphabet it showed on the screen. 5th number question है, what do you think a telebook is? The telebook is something that is like a कंप्यूटर और मैकेनिकल टीचर। उसके बाद है 6 नंबर में, वेयर वाज मार्गी स्कूल, डिड सी हैव एनी क्लासरूम। द मार्गी स्कूल वाज राइट नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम। नो, सी डिड नॉट हैव एनी क्लासमेट्स। और व्हाट सब्जेक्ट डिड टॉमी एंड मार्गी लर्न। द हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी एंड मैथमेटिक्स वर द सब्जेक्ट दैट मार्गी एंड टॉमी लर्न। उसके बाद है answer the following question with reference to the story. फर्स्ट नंबर है, I would not throw it away. Who says these words? Margie says these words. What does it refers to? It refers to the printed book. उसके बाद है थर्ड नंबर, what is it being compared with by the speaker? According to the speaker, book and mechanical teacher has been compared here. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. ये लाइन दी गई है और इस लाइन के आधार पर बुक में जो स्टोरी दी गई उसको उसके अनुसार क्वेश्चन करना है। तो यहाँ से है Who does they refer to? इस लाइन में दे किसके लिए आया है? तो दे रेफर टू द ओल्ड जनरेशन स्कूल। What does regular mean here? यहाँ रेगुलर का मतलब क्या है? The here regular means mechanical or the permanent. What is it contrast with? तो इसका आंसर है it means that the old generation does not have a mechanical teacher. They had a human teacher. उसके बाद है थर्ड क्वेश्चन चेंज कर रहा है। आंसर each of these question in a short paragraph about 30 words. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They did not have a human being who addressed pupils in a classroom. Second है Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? तो Margie mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. उसके बाद है What did he do? He slowed down the mechanical teacher. He यानी कि काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने क्या किया कि he slowed down the mechanical teacher speed up to an average 10 years level. The mechanical teacher speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Margie. Next है Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Margie was doing bad in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. The county inspector adjusted the speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher speed was controlled appropriately. और उसके बाद है What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Question number 6 है Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? तो आंसर है इसका Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Question number 7 है How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy says that the old school was different. They had a special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the school yard. They enjoyed time together and learned lesson together in a classroom. Next है question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? He says that all teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They were not mechanical teacher but human beings. Next question है answer each of this question in 2 or 3 paragraphs. यानी कि 100 से 150 words में इनके आंसर लिखने हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है What are the main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? तो आंसर है इसका Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need not go to school for getting a formal education. The mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house and they can get the knowledge of various subjects individually from the mechanical teacher. They didn't have such classrooms where students sit together. They study from the telebooks, so they don't require books and exercise books. The examination system is very different. They do homework in a different way. Margie has to write them out in a punch code which she learned when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and not based on printed books. ये वन का आंसर था, लॉन्ग वन। और उसके बाद लॉन्ग का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? तो आंसर इसका, मार्गी hated school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her homework or assignment. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. Children needed company to enhance their skills. If they were isolated, they got depressed and dejected. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो कि लॉन्ग है और लास्ट है, तो ये इसके बाद चैप्टर 1 खत्म हो जाएगा, आपका चैप्टर 1 का सॉल्यूशन क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डू यू एग्री विथ मार्गी दैट स्कूल टुडे आर मोर फन देन द स्कूल इन द स्टोरी? गिव रीजंस फॉर योर आंसर। देयर इज नो डाउट दैट टुडेज स्कूल्स आर more funny than the school discussed in the story. This school was nothing but mechanical teachers with no emotion and sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the psychology of a child. Moreover, it guides a pupil according to its adjusted modes. But today's school work for overall development of a child. They are given training in leadership, sports, politics and science. They learn how to adapt themselves to the new surroundings and cope with the strangers. The students sit and learn together, forgetting their caste, color and creed. These activities don't give vent to the feelings of depression, alienation and segregation. तो इस तरह आपका ये चैप्टर 1 का जो सॉल्यूशन था वो कंप्लीट हो गया। आज हम लोगों ने क्लास 9 का चैप्टर 1 का सॉल्यूशन द फन दे हैड का सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट किया है। यहाँ पर आपको सारे सॉल्यूशन मिल गए हैं चैप्टर 1 से जुड़े हुए, और ये आपका आज चैप्टर 1 द फन दे हैड विथ वर्ड मीनिंग सॉल्यूशन के साथ क्लियर हुआ। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली बार एक नए वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।